Good afternoon, everyone. Jill here with North Texas Vegetable Gardening, canning recipes, a little bit of everything. Look what I got my hands on. So, yeah, I didn't know that Denali made pressure canners. I knew that they made lids and bands, but I did not know the extent of their product line. And they did reach out to me about 7 days ago and asked me to go ahead and give their pressure canner a try. And we can be an affiliate for them as well. And so we are going to check out this 23 quart pressure canner. We're going to unbox it and we're going to start testing these lids. So let me tell you a little bit about Denali. So Denali is putting a strong focus on homesteading and canners. They are a family-oriented company. It is designed in the USA by Denali Canning. And some of the comments that they say about their story on their lid packs, it says that they respect the art of canning, but something was missing. That something was the heart of it all. Truly unique and inspired canning products that represent what canning is all about. We noticed that family over the last generation has been missing from the canning and preservation industry, and we are here to say, let's bring it back. So they're really focusing on the old ways and getting your family involved in canning. So let's check this out and do some unboxing. So a couple of things that are sticking out to me that I know is going to stick out to several of you is it is induction compatible. That means this is good to use on your glass top and your flat top stoves. Of course, they talk about meat, seafood, poultry, veggies, works on all types of ranges. And you can also use this for your water canning, so it's kind of 2-in-1. So again, we got the 23 quart. They provide you with the link to their website. You can send them a direct help message. You can also give them a call. And they have instructional videos on their websites for when you go into it, talking to you about canning, how to can, and different recipes. I was pretty impressed with that too. So let's get to unboxing. So they sent us, it looks like 2 dozen of the wide mouths and 2 dozen of the regular mouth. Looks pretty good, guys. I really do like their packaging. I like the colors and I like the way it presents itself. So we're gonna give this a fair shot. It came right in the nick of time with this 365 canning challenge that we got going on. So this is the other side of the box. Induction compatible base for flat top ranges. We're gonna compare this to the other canner I'm using and we're gonna see what the difference looks like on the bottom of these canners. It's packaged really well for the transit. Let's check out what's in this handy dandy little bag here. Inside the box, it looks like we got an additional box of regular mouth lids and the wide mouth. This is the 10-pound weight. Their instruction manual. And a thank you card. So this is looks like a 5-pound weight. Yeah, and the other one is a 10-pound weight, so you get 2 weights. And then here is our pressure gauge, which I just absolutely love using the pressure gauges. Ooh-wee, now that is beautiful. Polished stainless steel and aluminum. Looks like some heavy-duty handles here. It's telling you where to line up. It's giving you directions on the direction to open. Very beautiful. Very nice polished look, guys. Very nice. And it has your measurements inside. It has your rack that you'll need to turn upside down. Sorry, that's kind of not a nice sound. There we go. I got it in there. You can see it's got a lock for all of you that have showed some concern on canning. It looks like this has a great locking system, but we're going to certainly give it a test out. So it comes with a little steam spigot on the lid, but it looks like they have sent me an extra one. And these are two 10-pound weights that they have provided with their setup.
Okay.
So it's pretty easy to understand. They're showing you again how to match up the arrows. And then it has the locking mechanism, guys. And this, it looks like, is where your weight is going to go. I'm going to have to do some more looking on that. But yeah, so far, really easy to lock your lid on. Actually, no, guys, this is your pressure cylinder, and I'm going to try to hold this so you can see what happens. See how it opens up when I start to open the lid? And then it closes up when we're locked and loaded. Here's the little 10-pound weight. Now, if you wanted a 5-pound weight, they show you color-coded. The 5-pound weight does not have a black top. It has a red top. And this right here is your safety valve. So here's the bottom of the pan. It's got a little ridge. So this looks like it's their design for your flat top or your glass top stove. Pretty exciting because we have a glass top stove. That's really pretty. Look at that. So this is the bottom of my other canner, and I can see a distinct difference. There's a lip, and the Denali does not have a lip, and if it does, it's a very small one. So I'm pretty excited about this. We're going to put it through the ringer. Again, I didn't know that Denali did canners, so I'm excited that they sent this to me to test out. I'm eager to see how it does. I've already got some of my meats laid out to start canning, and I'll do a video on those meats that I can up. But guys, this could be a game changer for us on many levels. It looks like they send you everything that you need to get starting right away, even the lids that you'll need for canning. So yeah, this is really a beautiful setup, and it looks like it's a little shorter than my other one. So I'm thinking that maybe the pressure will build up much quicker, and this might be a little bit faster for us in our canning process, but we'll find out, won't we, whenever I start canning this. So again, they are going to let us be an affiliate. They did reach out to us. I'm going to put the affiliate link down in the description. So for those of you who are looking for a canner, it looks like a pretty good quality one, looks like a very safe one, go check them out. And if you're looking for canning lids, I would also go check them out. They are offering a discount to our community. So that's pretty exciting as well. So if you decide to do this, or if you're looking into this, please click that link, and let's get to canning and find out how this thing works. Thank you for watching. God bless. We'll see you soon on my next canning video.